Okay, we're going to solve and graph this inequality right here. We have 8x minus 2 over 3 times the parentheses, 3x plus 21 inside, and this is greater than 0. As usual, we have to take this right here and distribute into the parentheses like this, right? So, we'll first keep the 8x, and we'll do negative 2 over 3 times 3, and that's what? This times that is going to give us negative 2x. And let me just show you guys that real quick on the side. We have to work out 2 over 3 times 3x, alright? So we see 2 over 3 times 3x. Put the 3x as 3 over 1 like this. And you see the 3 and 3 will cancel, and we just have 2 times x like this. So the answer is just 2x. And of course, this was negative, that was positive, so we end up with negative 2x for this right here. And now, when we take negative 2 over 3 times 21, we get what? Well, some of you guys can do it in your head, and if you do that, the answer is going to be, well, negative times positive, that's negative, and we'll end up with 14 right here, isn't it? How do we do that? Well, now let me show you guys the work. I'm just going to put down 2 over 3 times 21, alright? And 21 is the same as saying 21 over 1. And you see, 3 goes into 3 one time, 3 goes into 21 7 times. We can cross cancel first, just like earlier, alright? And now, 2 times 7 is 14, and then on the bottom, we have 1 times 1. The over 1 doesn't matter. So this is how we get the 14 right here. Negative times positive, it's the minus right here, alright? And of course, this is still greater than 0. And we see that on the left-hand side, we have the 8x minus 2x. We have to combine items first. So this is going to give us 6x, and this is still minus 14, greater than 0. And now, let's just go ahead and add a 14 on both sides. And we will see, we will have the 6x greater than positive 14. We don't have to switch the inequality because we only add the 14, right? At the end, this is 6 times x, so we will have to divide both sides by 6 to get the x by itself. And you see, this 6 is only positive 6. So we don't have to switch the inequality. So we keep it as how it is. And right here we have 14 over 6. We can reduce this fraction, right? So we know 2 goes into 14 7 times. And 2 goes into 6 3 times. At the end, the answer is just 7 over 3. This right here is the inequality. And of course, to come up with the graph, you first draw the number line, and you can just mark maybe somewhere here. Let's say this is 7 over 3, and because this is only a greater than, it doesn't have the equal sign down here. So we will just be using an open circle at this number, 7 over 3. We have x on the left hand side. X is greater than 7 over 3. That means we have to go from 7 over 3 to the right, right? So x is bigger than 7 over 3. So here is the graph. Right, so just make sure that this part of the graph is darkened, just like this. And that's it.